Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Disney Plus in the search bar. Click on the official Disney Plus website link. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will need to enter your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements provided. After entering your email and password, click on Continue. Select your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Fill in your payment details as prompted. Review the billing information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on Submit or Finish. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Return to the Disney Plus homepage. Click on the Login button to access your account. Enter the email and password you just created. After logging in, you can browse through the available content. Select a show or movie you'd like to watch. Click on the title to start streaming. Enjoy your Disney Plus experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.